to put y'all on game on ways I grew out my natural curly hair super fast. So let me break it down for you, sis. What's up, teacups? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. My name is Takara Onay, or you can call me TEEKS. It is whichever one that you would prefer to call me. So I get a lot of DMs, a lot of questions on how I grew out my natural hair. Y'all want to know the tips, the tricks, the secrets, the tea, what I've been hiding on how I grew my hair super long. I always get DMs of people being like, how did you and Ariana and Miriam Hampton and Ashley Sellers, how did y'all grow out y'all hair? Like, y'all hair just flourished over the years. Like, what are the secrets? So I'm about to let y'all know that in this video today. So if you're looking to grow out your natural hair super fast and you want some like techniques to, you know, get your hair growing a little bit faster, then you definitely clicked on the right video, homegirl. Cause listen, honey boo boo, once upon a time your girl used to be a bald-headed scallywag, don't got no hair in the back, gel and weave it. You know we need it. No, I'm just playing. Now, if you got a home girl or a homeboy or somebody who has natural hair and you know that they're trying to grow out their hair, you need to go ahead and share this video. And we need to get this video out to our other curly heads out there, our other natural heads out there, so they can be up on game too. Okay? So make sure after the video is over, if you found these tips helpful for you, to go ahead and share it with a friend. Okay? Okay, girl. Okay. So what do I do on a weekly basis to make my hair grow super fast? Number one, I wash my hair daily. I actually got this tip from my homegirl Miriam J. Hampton. Y'all need to go check her channel out. Sis is lit on her channel. But yeah, I remember when I first started off my curly hair journey, she used to be like, girl, you need to co-wash your hair daily. You need to co-wash. So I started co-washing at night. I started co-washing my hair at night and literally washing your hair every day. But not washing your hair every day with shampoo. You're co-washing your hair, which means that you are using a conditioner as shampoo on your hair with cold water and co-washing your hair, letting it either, you know, air dry throughout the night or blow drying it and then doing like a protective style for the next day. Whatever it is, just make sure that you're co-washing your hair, and you have to do this every day. I know it might sound crazy, you're like, girl, you're not supposed to wash your hair every day, but what the co-washing every day is doing is it's moisturizing your hair, especially if you have super dry hair. And 9 times out of 10, if you're a natural head, then your hair is 9 times out of 10 gonna be dry. So try this tip out and let me know how it goes, girl, okay? Tip number 2. When I started my natural hair journey, in order to get it to flourish, I was like, ooh, I seen all the girls, you know, if you was on YouTube back in the day, I know when, you know, we first started going on our curly hair journeys, everybody was talking about biotin. Y'all remember biotin? Biotin pills, like Byron, we need them biotins, okay? But no, like, I was like, I gotta go get me some biotin pills. So those are the first vitamins that I started off taking during my natural hair journey, was biotin pills. I just got the hair, skin, and nails ones from Walmart. They were super inexpensive. They actually have biotin gummies, so if you don't like taking pills, you can actually take the gummies, which are just like easier to take. And you know, if you're not like a big pill taker, if you're not like a pill popping animal, syrup sipping, you know what I'm saying, you can go ahead and take the gummy vitamins, and those are just as effective as the regular pills. Pills that I tried out were the Main Choice pills, and those were actually pretty decent. The Main Choice, she has an amazing formula for pills, and her pills are definitely worth it. Those were another vitamin that I started taking as well. But the ones that I noticed the most growth in with my hair were the keratin hair growth pills. I have a keratin hair growth product line review video. I'm actually gonna post it up here so you guys can go check it out. But you guys, these pills and these hair growth products, definitely I seen my hair grow super fast with these products, especially the pills. That was just a 1 month supply. I can't even imagine if I was to do another supply of vitamins. So those are definitely a vitamin that I want to try out again. But I definitely see more growth in my hair last year when I took those pills. So again, I'm gonna have the link to that entire video up here so you guys can go check that out, because I don't want to ramble on about those vitamins in this video because I already have an entire video on that entire line. So you guys definitely should go check it out. So vitamins, get you some. You better get up, get out, and get some. Hey. Right, number 3, y'all are gonna think I'm mad wild for this, but literally eggs. Eggs is protein. So when I first started doing my natural hair journey, I used to watch You Love Meg's Hey Girl, Hey Girl, Hey Girl, Hey Girl, Hey. Y'all can share this video with her and let her know I mentioned her, okay? But I used to watch You Love Meg's, and I remember the first time I ever seen a girl put eggs in their hair, and it was her. But at the time, she didn't have natural hair. She's natural now, but at the time she didn't have natural hair. She had a relaxer, but she was still doing a protein treatment on her hair to make her hair grow. And I seen her put this egg in her hair, and I was like, oh my god, she's putting freaking egg in her hair. But y'all, that stuff literally works. Like, eggs literally work. Like, I'm telling you, when I was doing my DIY mayo hair mask with egg, honey, and mayo, and I was like wearing my hair, my natural hair underneath wigs, that is like the most growth that I've ever seen. I used to do a deep conditioner, and that was my deep conditioner thing. I did that once a week, and I know I wasn't supposed to be putting that much protein in my hair as far as like eggs, because eggs can be way too much protein, so it's kind of like protein overload, which can cause like breakage on your hair. But y'all, for me, the little DIY hair mask that I did, mayo hair mask, which I'm gonna link up here, because if you haven't seen that video, that's like an OG video, but if you haven't seen it, you definitely need to check that out. And now another thing is, when I was working on the carnival, Antonio, he used to always make eggs and tortillas. Like, that was like our thing. Like, we would make eggs, tortillas, we would cook that. It was fast, it was easy, right? So I was constantly always eating eggs, like almost every day. And you guys, instead of putting the egg in my hair, because I was eating so many eggs, I definitely seen a lot of growth in my hair by the end of the year of me, after me working at the carnival. I always used to eat eggs and have my hair in a bun, and my hair just grew tremendously. Number 4 is going to be hair oils. I again was using the keratin hair growth oil. That stuff was like definitely helping my hair to grow. Again, I linked that video, so go check that video out, you guys. I'm gonna put it in the description box as well. But I always like to use oil, so anything like from coconut oil, Jamaican black castor oil was a really big oil that I use on my hair that I've seen a lot of growth in. With the Jamaican black castor oil or coconut oil, I would always mix that in my deep conditioners. So not only just applying oil to like your ends and your scalp, you want to always make sure to mix your oils in your deep conditioner. You need as much moisture in your hair as possible, because without moisture, your hair is just going to break off. And I actually mentioned that in my how to minimize breakage on natural hair video. If you haven't seen that video, you can click up here and watch that one as well. I'm gonna have my whole natural hair playlist up here, my hair playlist up here, so y'all can go check it out, and all the videos or whatever that I feel like will be helpful for you guys. But yeah, I already mentioned that in that video. And again, in order to get your hair to grow long, you have to make sure that you're putting oil on it to help, you know, prevent that breakage and such. Another thing with like the whole deep conditioning process too is to make sure that you're keeping your deep conditioning process like simple. I always made sure to make it just simple and smooth, and to do a deep conditioner deep conditioning like mask once a week. You have to do some type of deep condition as well in order to see your hair grow super fast. So and the last tip, number 5, that I'm gonna throw at you guys is basically just massage your scalp. Is massage your scalp, you guys. You can literally just, if you're in bed, you're watching Netflix, just like give yourself like you would, like, well, you can't give yourself a back massage, but just give yourself a head massage. You can actually do the inversion method where you actually flip your hair over, or like lay on your back and lay upside down and, like, you know, massage your scalp. It's just going to help to, again, just get the blood flowing up here and the hair growing down here so we can get inches, honey. Yes! You can also invest in a scalp massage brush. They have plenty on Amazon. I actually was using one from Vita Goods. I believe I still have my discount code. I'm gonna leave that in the description box if I do, so that you guys can use that code and get some money off to order your scalp massage brushes so that y'all can be massaging them scalps all 2020 and getting that length that you looking for, them inches that you looking for all 2020, honey. Okay, so yeah, that is pretty much all the tips I have on ways that I grew my natural curly hair super fast. A bonus tip is to wear protective styles. And this was more so at the beginning of my, I guess, my natural hair journey, you can say. I've been natural for about 10 years now. I started in like 09. I don't wear wigs anymore because I'm pretty confident with my hair now. I like the length, I like the texture. And if you're still kind of like, you know, you're not where you're at in your natural hair journey, try out wigs, you guys. Wigs, and using the combination of everything that I just mentioned in this video, this is your guys' bonus tip, will definitely help your hair flourish so crazy, because when your hair is underneath a wig, it's not touching your clothes, so it's not breaking off and things like that. And I can't even tell you guys, when I did my little chop, when I chopped my little hair off, I was wearing wigs a lot, and not extensions, not hair extensions, not sew-ins and stuff like that, wigs. For some reason, wigs are just like a really good protective style, or for me at least, they were a really good protective style. So just make sure you're doing something to protect your hair, that way you can see the growth that you want for 2020. So if this video helped you guys out, definitely let me know that it helped you, and have some conversation with me in the comments, because I always see your guys' comments. I love when you guys interact with me in the comments, so do not ever be afraid to drop a comment if you have any questions about my natural hair products, a style, or a product review that you guys want to see here on my channel next. Definitely drop those comments down below, and in the comments below, drop some of your tips on things that you've done to help your hair grow super fast. If you kind of already have been doing your own little things, again, let's help some other natural hair girls out there. Let's have the convo going in the comments. Y'all already know the drill. If you love fashion, hair, and lifestyle content, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Your girl TEEKS, your girl Takara Onay, and y'all make sure y'all click that notification bell, because if you don't, you're not gonna even get any of my videos. I feel like you're gonna miss out on my content. I'ma lead y'all to it. You know, I love y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next upload, okay? Alright now.